everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys the coupon preview for this Sunday, July 19th. Looks like we're getting 2 inserts, one Retail Me Not and one Smart Source. Now, if you guys are new to couponing and you are watching this and you do get newspapers in your area, make sure you kind of pay attention to see what you get and what you don't get. Over the years, you'll kind of know what you will get and what you don't get, because there were times where I'm like, oh sweet, I want that coupon, and then I stopped getting that coupon. So, letting you guys know with that. But here is the Retail Me Not. We got a Dove bar, $1 Dove polish, $1 body wash, $1 deodorant, $1.50, dry spray, $1.25, shower foam, $1. Then we have Garnier Nutri's hair color, $4, Nexium, Signature, Cafe, never heard of those, it's not in my area. Sundown, and then we got Tresemme, $4 off of 2. You know what I'll probably get is just the Tresemme, possibly, and then the Dove. Like, my area just doesn't get squat. Now here is the Smart Sources. We're getting a 55 cents off of 2,000 flushes. Aveeno Baby, $1. Band-Aids, $1. Benadryl, $1. Bengay, $3. Boston Market, I don't have anywhere nearby. But we are getting a 50 cents off of Cinnamon Cheerios, you guys. 50 cents coupon. That's a good coupon, okay? We have Colgate battery, battery operated toothbrush, $1.50. Manual toothbrush, 50 cents. Colgate Kids mouthwash, 50 cents. Kids toothpaste, 50 cents. Regular mouthwash, 50 cents. And toothpaste, 50 cents. Yes. Okay, Edge Skintimate, we're getting $1.50. I know I haven't gotten like the Chic coupons in my inserts for a while, so that's something if you guys need to look forward to. General Mills, we're getting $1. So look at that. Intuition, $4. Johnson Products, $1. Intuition, I meant Chic. All those coupons, Chic. Yes. And then we got Nani's, Ollie, Palmolive, 50 cents. Chic, $4. Scotty's, 75 cents. Another Skintimate, $4. Spot Shot, $1. And Zyrtec is $4. So that is what's coming out in our inserts. If you guys need to get extra inserts, definitely go for it. Hopefully there are some printable Chic coupons. There has been in the past. So let's get some good deals on some razors. See you guys later. Bye-bye.